you all know this, but JPS, we are celebrating 100 years of serving this nation. And the University of the West Indies is also celebrating this year 75 years of serving this nation and the region. So this is a special time for us to be coming together for a partnership, and what better way to come together than to agree on an initiative that is sowing a seed for the future, a big seed. You'll hear about it in a little bit. But the timing of this agreement is even more special because it's the start of the school year. And what are we here to do? We are here to agree on an initiative that is going to support our school system in a big way. To tell us more about it, I now invite Dr. Tomlin Paul, Deputy Principal of the University of the West Indies, to share with us. Please welcome him to the lecture.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, Ms. Vincent McCallum, Master of Ceremonies, Mr. Steve Berberich, or Chief Executive Officer, JPS, Mr. Gary Barrow, Chief Operating Officer, Jamaica Public Service, members of the board of the JPS Foundation, other members of the JPS Executive Senior Leadership, Dr. Minna Israel, a Special Advisor to Vice Chancellor Sir Hilary Beckles of the University of the West Indies, Professor Tanisha Stevenson, or Deputy Dean for the Faculty of Science and Technology at UWI, Dr. Andre Coy, Associate Dean of the Faculty, and other members of the UWI fraternity, and other distinguished guest members of the media. It really is a special day, as Madam Chair said, for us, as really it's a moment of celebration, and she spoke about the joint celebration really that between JPS and UWI. We're celebrating together, and we're celebrating this day. It's been said by someone that hardly anything really good is achieved in life on this planet without people working together, or in one word, partnerships. And this occasion this morning represents that achievement, that moment where two companies, two institutions are coming together to build a partnership around an initiative that has a lot of good and potential, as you will hear. So I'm very happy for us to be here this morning, and I also bring special greetings from my principal, Professor Denzel Williams, who is unavoidably absent this morning. But the UWI is very happy to have this partnership with the JPS in terms of producing these workshops, these CAPE workshops. I just want to say a little bit, and Dr. Coy is going to give you a little more detail, that we started 20 years ago doing this, doing workshops to support CAPE students. And that was just a little bit after CAPE itself started, the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Exams. And UWI got right out there and said, look, we need to support the achievement and the success in science in terms of our students doing well in this exam. And I recall my days in high school and struggling with physics always seemed like a challenging subject, Dr. Coy, and so I'm sure our students, what we have seen over the years, we have done this for 20 years. We have had the privilege of nurturing and supporting some 33,000 students to date across Jamaica. And these students have reported that they have benefited from this. They love the content, they love the teachers, and more than that, their interest in science and technology has increased. And that is what we want really when we look at the impact that this program can have. Really what we're producing is STEM capable and STEM motivated students for Jamaica. What it means, Mr. CEO, it's an investment in Jamaica's development. We know that STEM is a critical era for Jamaica. So we covered subjects, biology, chemistry, computer science, geography, mathematics, physics, and we have had the studies that have been done have shown has reached as far as 41% of students, that's almost half, maybe by now the numbers are growing, of students taking this exam have come and benefited from the program. So this morning, as we signed a partnership with JPS and the JPS Foundation, what we're doing is we are moving up, getting the impact of this program higher up. We're adding value in terms of supporting our schools. Some of our schools are not fully equipped with the labs and the technology systems, so the UA is stepping in to say, we're also partnering with these schools to help these students. And we're really, in a social justice kind of way, we are opening the door for more students, a wider group of students across Jamaica to benefit from the CAPE examination and therefore higher education across the institutions, not only UA, I dare say, across institutions, tertiary institutions in Jamaica. As we celebrate our 75th anniversary, we're very grateful for this partnership. We're very thankful to JPS and the JPS Foundation in producing these STEM-capable students. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a testimony of the University of the West Indies, MONA, acting as a socially accountable institution of higher learning and enhancing such action through academic industry partnership. Thank you very much. Let me wish all success to the program, and we look forward to continued long partnership with JPS on this and other areas. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Paul. We'll now invite our own CEO, Mr. Steve Berberich, to speak. Please welcome him.
Good morning. Thank you, Emerson. And thank you all for being here, particularly all of you from the university. At JPS, our foundation is just part of what we do from a community perspective, but the foundation itself, I think, really represents the core of our conscience of what we need to do to engage with our communities in terms of developing communities, in terms of support of the environment, and in terms of developing young minds that can help power this nation forward. The country of Jamaica has enormous potential, and I believe the world is at a major inflection point now where we can invigorate young minds to participate in this inflection. And the inflection I'm talking about is this dramatic change in the way we power energy, the way we use energy, and the way we decarbonize our entire system. STEM education is going to be critical for this great country to stay abreast and to develop its economy and create great jobs for its people. JPS and its foundation believe this is core to the development. So we're happy to support this initiative to help fund to the tune of $16 million over 5 years to prepare students for the CAPE exam and to make sure that we can further our outreach. This just builds on what we've been doing heretofore. We've spent millions of dollars outreaching to the community, spreading the word on STEM. Most importantly, what we have to do is we have to invigorate the young people to know that STEM is not just physics, it's technology, it's computer programming, it's engineering, it's mathematics, it's all of the things that go into powering a unique economy. So we're delighted to be part of this. It's part of our core mission here at JPS, and we appreciate everyone being here. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Steve. Now we are going to have the actual signing of the MOU, and I'm going to invite Camille, Director of the Foundation Board, to assist me with this. The persons at our head table who will be signing on behalf of JPS and the JPS Foundation, we'll have Steve and Gary. And on behalf of the University of the West Indies and the Faculty of Science and Technology, we'll have Dr. Stevenson and Dr. Paul.
Sorry, can we get a little closer, please? Doc?
Thank you all very, very much. And we have Dr. Coy, who is going to bring a few words in closing.
Thank you, Ms. Cullen. Distinguished guests, esteemed partners, members of the media, friends, good morning. Today we gather and we've marked a milestone in the journey of education, collaboration, and empowerment. With the signing of this agreement, we embark on a transformative exercise that will play a part in shaping the futures of countless young minds and light the path to progress. This partnership speaks volumes about our shared commitment to education and the holistic development of our nation. The Jamaica Public Service Company Limited has for a century literally illuminated the way for Jamaica's modernization. Today we are witness to a different form of illumination, one that reaches the minds of our youth, lighting their passion for STEM. Through this partnership, JPS highlights the fact that its mandate goes beyond energy provision, as it serves as a catalyst for education and empowerment. The University of the West Indies, with its rich history of 75 years, stands as a testament to the transformative power of education. Its motto, "A light rising from the West," encapsulates its role in nurturing minds and lighting the way for regional development. Today, UWI's light is joined by the beacon of the JPS, combining to inspire our young people and pave their way to greatness. The JPS UWI Cape Workshops Agreement is a living embodiment of the collaboration and vision. It brings together JPS's commitment to innovation and UWI's dedication to education, creating an avenue through which aspiring young students can engage in the STEM workshops at the university. Through this partnership, we can bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world application, offering these young minds a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that STEM fields hold. This collaboration is not just about the workshops. It's about lighting a fire of curiosity and nurturing a love for learning. It's about fostering creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills that will be the bedrock for Jamaica's future. It's about offering these students an opportunity to interact with experienced mentors, faculty members, and industry experts who will guide them on their journey through exploration. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, we must also acknowledge the profound responsibility it entails. The future of these young minds rests in our hands. Through these workshop activities, we're not merely providing access to academic material, we are providing access to dreams, to aspirations, and to opportunities that can change the trajectory of these students' lives. The impact of this partnership will extend beyond the workshop days. We will witness a ripple effect in these students as they take their newfound knowledge and inspiration back to their communities, back to their schools, and to their homes. They will become ambassadors of progress, carrying the torch of education and illuminating pathways for others to follow. In closing, let's remember that our partnership is not just ink on paper. It is a manifestation of a shared vision for a brighter future. As we sign this agreement, we symbolize the fusion of two powerful forces, the spark of education and the light of innovation. Together, we will guide these workshop participants toward their full potential, preparing them to be leaders, thinkers, and change makers that Jamaica needs. Let's walk this path together, hand in hand, as we empower our youth and share the destiny of our and shape the destiny of our beloved nation. On behalf of the Faculty of Science and Technology, thank you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, did you hear the way of putting words together? The spark of education and the light of innovation. Well, this is the reason we're here, ladies and gentlemen. It's not just about $16 million. It's not just about 5 years. We're talking about people. We're talking about lives. We're talking about our country's future. Thank you all for being a part of this very important event. I know we have at least one person from the media here. If there are any questions, we will take them now. Ainsworth, do you have any questions for our panel? Okay, we'll talk after. Okay, great. Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have some good music. You can hang around for the good music. We also have some refreshment, and most importantly,